Welcome to another summer vlog. It is the most stunning, gorgeous, beautiful day outside. Look at this. Woo! I did that. I forgot that public pools existed because I feel like I usually just go to the beach, but there's something about a pool day. It makes me feel like a little kid. So we're going to the pool today, just you and me. I have my book, I have my headphones. It's gonna be really fun. We came with my sister and her daughter a few days ago, which was really, really fun. And I was like, why don't I utilize this more often? I feel like it's one of those things where you forget that that's like a fun, accessible activity that you can do. And so I was like, you know what? The next sunny day that it's just me, that I have free time, my work for the day is done, I'm gonna come to the pool. Even when I used to live in my apartment in town, there is a really beautiful pool, never used it. Instead of reading my book at home, I can read it at the pool, and that's so much more fun. I'm excited to do something different. This is me romanticizing my summer. Excuse the mass amounts of screaming kids, but tell me when I'm having the best time. As much as I am a beach girly through and through, there's something so nice about a pool day, and I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. One, I think I forgot that like public pools existed, and two, I just never thought to come alone, but this is honestly, I was gonna say peaceful. I don't know if I should describe it as that because, you know, all the kiddies are out to play, which is actually very, very sweet, but I brought my earbuds. I knew what to expect, so I'm still having a great time. I have my book, which I'm still trying to get into this book. I'm not completely sold on it yet. I just feel like the beginning has been kind of slow, but I've been reading, hopping in and out of the water, and literally, this is so fun. Tan line check. That was so fun. That is your sign to find a friend who has a pool or go to your public pool. I'm gonna put on some of this cool down lotion. I feel like all of Sunbum's products literally smell like summer. Coconutty, beachy, it smells so good. Shockingly, the ambiance wasn't too bad for it being, you know, summer break for kids. I feel like I still really enjoyed myself. I don't know, I'm not really someone who gets annoyed when like kids are around because they have, I feel like, as much of a right to be there as I do, but there wasn't that many kids today. Also, it is honestly really cute to see little kids playing outside. Anytime Micah and I see the kids that live in our neighborhood playing outside, it genuinely makes us so happy because I feel like so many kids don't play outside anymore. I just feel like nowadays I hardly see kids in the street playing, so it really makes me happy and it's really cute. I had this thought one time that actually made me question my entire existence, and it was the fact that there was a time where I played outside for the last time and I had no idea that it was the last time. I also just had another crazy thought. I don't know if I need to say this out loud. Just got ready for the day. It's been a while, honestly, since I've like actually put on an outfit. Don't get me wrong, love being in a swimsuit 24/7, but also there's never any harm in, you know, playing a little dress up. Also, you guys, I've been so excited to show you this. How beautiful is this bag? It's from Vivrel, which I wanted to say thanks to Vivrel for sponsoring this video. If you don't know what Vivrel is, it's a members only club that provides members access to borrow designer handbags, jewelry, watches, and diamonds. And it's super cool because members can swap their items once a month, or you can keep it as long as you'd like. I've had this for a little bit now, but I'll insert a picture right here. I'm swapping it for something a little more summery, which I'm very excited for. I think it's super fun to play around with the different accessories, bags, just because especially for me, I feel like I have more of a simple basic style, but I love to elevate my everyday with beautiful, stunning pieces like this. And the memberships start at $45 a month. It's really cool because you basically treat the Vivrel closet like your own and can borrow anything within your tier. I have my eyes on some other pieces that I'm excited excited to borrow. But it's so fun because you truly can have it all. I've been loving wearing this bag and I just feel so fabulous. Honestly, getting to try out different brands, different accessories, play around with your style, switch it out, get something different is a girl's dream. I will have a QR code that you can scan right here and information in the description box below, but you guys can get 30% off your first month of membership if you use the code AvaJules30. But yeah, I'm super excited to share that with you guys because it's just so fun. Today, we are gonna be doing some summer baking. When I think of summer treat, I think of something that's either like strawberry, fruity, citrusy, and I have a whole bag of lemons sitting in my fridge. Probably would have gone bad. So I looked up a recipe for lemon bars, specifically gluten-free ones, because I'm gonna give some to my mom. So gluten-free lemon bars sounds literally so good. I thought it'd be a fun activity to do because it is a very cloudy day outside. I'm not gonna be doing anything. And I feel like baking something is always such a fun thing to do if you're bored at home, if you wanna just have a little fun activity that you get something out of at the end. So this is what they're supposed to look like. I will link the recipe down below. Hopefully it turns out good. Sometimes I feel like you never know with gluten-free recipes, but I thought it'd be really fun to do together. So the oven is currently preheating. I am fully in my cozies because it's kind of cold out. Again, it's gloomy. It's been raining on and off. I got my gluten-free flour. I love a lemon bar. Oh my gosh, I'm actually so excited about this. I haven't been baking a whole lot recently, but something like this just sounds very good, still refreshing, summery. So I'm gonna follow that recipe and we're gonna bake some lemon bars. So far, it's smelling good, so that is a good sign. I, as you saw, made the lemon filling. I actually ended up using some of the limes from my lime tree because I am a farmer, because I didn't have enough. So hopefully that doesn't, I feel like lemon and lime is kind of interchangeable. Anyway, I'm supposed to pour this over. I also ended up making a little mini one because I had extra dough, so that'll be really cute. Anyway, let's do this. I have a good feeling about this. They look really good. Now I'm just gonna pop these back in the oven and then we'll do a little taste test. I did that. Gonna add some powdered sugar to the top. And look how cute my little my little mini one is. It's adorable. I feel like it's always really scary to bake something new, a recipe that you've never tried before, especially when you're making it like for other people. But this recipe turned out so good. I feel like sometimes you never know with gluten-free recipes. Sometimes you can tell, but I genuinely think if I don't tell anyone, I don't think anyone's gonna know. I think the flour that I used was just really good. But the lemon part turned out delicious. Honestly, everything about this is absolutely fantastic. I guess you could just make this with regular flour if you want, but I will leave the recipe that I used linked down below because I followed it to a T and it turned out so freaking yummy. I'm very excited. I think it's gonna be a hit. 10 out of 10. We are about to make my famous protein smoothie. Voted for best smoothie of the summer by me. It's only 4 ingredients, so very easy to make, and you might already have everything that you need to make it. I did post this recipe on TikTok and you guys seemed to really like it, so I wanted to share it on YouTube as well in case you didn't see it. I've been consuming this almost every single day just because it's refreshing, it's high in protein, it's got fruit in it, and so it's really easy. I'll make it usually after a workout, but today I'm just craving it. So take any of your favorite protein shake. The flavor I'm using today is strawberry banana. I usually use the vanilla one and that tastes really good, but this one is also really yummy. So I take a little bit of that just for the liquid base. And then I'll use either just this plain Greek yogurt, this is really good, or this is my favorite like flavored yogurt. I really like this brand and I only have a little bit left. So I'm just gonna finish this up, put in about 2 heaping spoonfuls of it. Then I'll take some frozen strawberries. I'll add about 5 or 6 of those. And then any other berries that I want to add. I have some blackberries with me, so I'm gonna add some of these. Not too much, just a little handful like that. And voila, how gorgeous of a color that is. The blackberries kind of give it a nice like lavender color. Bada bing, bada boom. This literally tastes like a dessert. It's gonna taste a little different, obviously, if you use like different ingredients, but if you follow this exact recipe, I promise you will love it. This is not the book update I was hoping to give, and this is something that I feel like I rarely do, but I cannot finish this book. I don't know what it is. Every time I try to sit down and read it, I just can't really get into it. And that might be just because it is a little bit slow burner of a book romance-wise, which probably means that if I did continue to read it, it probably would be so good later in the book. And so I know I could be missing out on something great here, but I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it kind of was putting me into a slower, it was putting me into a book slump. I wasn't excited to pick it up. I wasn't excited to read it, which makes me so sad because I really do love Emily Henry books. And I heard a lot of discourse over this specific book, people loving it, people not loving it, and just the different opinions, obviously. So I saw tons of people being like, just push through. It's going to get so good and the writing's amazing. And you know what? I believe you, but it's not for me. So we listen and we don't judge. Maybe you can judge me a little bit if I truly am missing out on something great, but I'll probably just end up giving this to a friend to read. So instead, I'm going to hop back to reading a Carly Fortune book. I read her to Every Summer After and Golden Summer. And so this is, I think, just a standalone book. This summer will be different. I'm curious when this came out because I've had it sitting on my shelf for a little bit. 2024. Okay, I think I remember saying I was gonna read this last summer and for some reason I never got around to reading it. So I'm gonna read it this summer. I'm a little bit behind on the game because it is from last year, but I'm very excited still. So let's start a new book. We're having a beach day today, my 3rd one in a row. Micah and I went the other day, just he and I, which was really nice. And then yesterday, it was his 2 years since entering the fire department. So him and his class that he graduated with, we had a whole beach day. And today, I'm hanging out with one of my friends and we're having a beach day. We're gonna go to North Shore, which I'm excited about because I actually don't make it up there super often just because it's kind of far from where I live. I have a lot of friends that live on the North Shore, so I get to go when I'm visiting them, but it's been a while, so having a little day. I'm picking up my friend now and we're gonna have a little girls' day. Trying out a new matcha spot in Haleiwa. It's called Sailors. Miss Gabby told me about it.
Hello.
What did you find on TikTok or Reels?
I found it on Instagram.
Let's go. So we're gonna try it. It's in this little house. I think it's my wow, that's really good. What'd you get?
That is good.
That's good coffee. Which, the beans you guys used for this one, is that for sale as well?
Yeah, we use our Holland.
Is that good for like espresso, like if I have like a Breville machine?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's really good espresso.
Good to know. No, that's having 3 drinks. We got 3 drinks because we needed to try the matcha as well.
Oh, what's happening?
Things are happening. It's approved.
I'm snobby with matcha.
You are.
Yeah, like this color is...
That's a good green though.
It is a good green. Wow.
It's a good day. Final review. Strawberry matcha is insane.
It's really good.
Get vanilla added to it because we literally both shotgun strawberry puree.
And then the leftover is
The
just
leftover.
unsweet.
But look at that color. Good matcha color. And they sell the matcha. I bought actually a bag of beans that they used for the coffee because their coffee is really good.
It's really good.
It's so good. She got like what? Lilikoi honey?
Yeah, I got their Lilikoi honey syrup with oat milk.
Yum.
And it's really nice.
So yeah, picked up some. So we're gonna try and make this at home. Updates to come. Next stop. I'm kind of liking those. Love it. Okay, made a purchase from Florence, John Florence's surf brand. Micah's been wanting a pair of shorts and he just hit his like 2-year anniversary at the fire department, so it's a little gift him. Plus, it's 20% off because we got this. So they had like a little collab, I guess. But
I love that you went, I can't, the receipt's not loading, is this proof?
I was like, is this proof that we got it? Because I don't have receipts. He was like, yeah. But, woo!
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous! Let's go! So exciting. Anyway, it's just kind of funny how much cheaper like guys' board shorts are because
I know.
a girl's bikini set.
That was like the most random group of people to be listening to.
I saw that! I was not expecting that. Oh, okay. Anyway, we're just gonna walk around, do some shopping.
We're extremely caffeinated.
Yeah.
We just kept chugging these. It's
I
been
know.
like not even that long and
No. I'm feeling it. We're gonna walk around, window shop.
Or actually
shop, we'll see. You'll find out. That is cute. These pants are cute too. Did I just find a tripod? Yes, I did. Look at our height difference. Get back here. I think I need like a medium. This is kind of giving like a ritzy. It's so cute. This is pretty. Yeah. It's beautiful though.
These are kind of fun.
It's on.
Oh, heck yeah.
I don't know if you guys realize this, but you just took a little dip in the water.
We thought we lost you.
Thought I lost you, which would have been really sad, but we're back. We just took some fun pics because it's literally gorgeous. Gabby provided the snacks today. Popcorn. I brought protein chips. Whoop-de-doo. Today's been a perfect day. Like, wow.
It's been so perfect. We've been saying all day that we create magic when we're together.
I like this and Skinny Pop. That's my favorite. But this like has a different taste.
It's the coconut oil.
The coconut oil is really good. I think we're gonna get food on our way back from the beach. Possibly an acai bowl is in the talks right now.
Yeah, that's definitely what I'm gonna get.
I'm still deciding. I don't know if I want like.
What was the other option?
It's either an acai bowl.
The Thai food?
Or Thai, like the Thai food might hit. We'll see. Lovely day at the beach. Life is good. Gonna pick up some food. I don't know if we're gonna do an acai bowl or Thai food.
Thai food.
Maybe both. We'll see. Thank you so much. I haven't had one of these in actually forever.